My Cub Cadet 2550 is leaking oil from the PTO shaft. Can I remove the seal and replace it from the front without tearing into the engine?
Can you guesstimate how old the engine is? And has it done anything like this in the past?
Engine was manufactured in 2006 and has not leaked in the past.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Yes, this seal can be replaced without going into the engine. With the clutch removed, and down to the sal, use some sheet metal screws into the seal and pull it out. Then the new seal can be installed.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.